Hi guys, welcome back to Hmong Baker. Today we are starting off with the strawberries first. I'm using 1 full cup of strawberries along with 1/4 cup of sugar. I have my heat on low and I am stirring occasionally. Checking back in and just smashing my strawberries. Once it gets to a thick consistency, I switch it into the food processor. And I do keep seeds and all. I am blending this up to make it into a puree consistency. And as you can see, it's nice and thick, and this is what I will be using for my frosting. I have it set aside just so that it can cool down. And now we can work on our strawberries. I'm using a milk chocolate for my strawberries. And I went ahead and drizzled it with some pink chocolate as well. And then I also set that aside. Onto the cream cheese frosting. I have 2 sticks of butter along with 1 pack of cream cheese. I added a total of about 3.5 cups of powdered sugar along with 1 tablespoon of heavy cream and about 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm just whipping it up to make it into a smooth consistency. Once it's about where I like it to be, I go ahead and add in my strawberry puree. And I'm finishing whipping it up just so that everything can mix in together. And this looks about right. Onto my ganache, I am using chocolate chips with heavy whipping cream. I placed it in the microwave for about a minute. Now I'm just stirring it up until it is nice and smooth. I set that aside for it to cool down, and now we can work on our cakes. Today I am using 6-inch cakes. This is my moist chocolate cake recipe. I will have the link in the description box below for you. And now the crumb coat. I do feel like the crumb coat on this one is necessary because I don't want any crumbs of my chocolate cake showing. I placed this in the freezer for it to settle for a few minutes. Once it's back out, we can work on the final coat. And now I am straightening my sides with the cake scraper. And it helps out a lot with keeping my sides straight. I used to go over with my offset spatula, but I noticed that when I was using that, I was going along with the cake and not the actual sides. So if you don't have a cake scraper, I would highly recommend that if you want straight sides on your cake. I'm cleaning up my cake and getting ready for the ganache. I put this back in the refrigerator for it to set so that it doesn't melt when I put my ganache on. It's not as runny as you can see, but it is a nice thick consistency when I am pouring it onto my cake, and this is what I want. Sometimes it's just a little bit too runny and it gets all the way down to the cake board, but this is just perfect right here. I'm just putting the rest of my ganache onto the top of my cake. I'm just spreading it out with my spatula. Now it's time for the toppings. I am placing just a few strawberries on top of my cake. This is a 1M tip that I am piping in between my strawberries. I also decided to add a little bit of feature on the bottom of my cake. I am using a 6B tip. And this is what my cake looks like. I actually had my husband take this to work, so hopefully they like it. Hopefully you guys like my video today. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button for new videos. And I will see you all in my next one. Thanks for watching.